Hello, you are listening to Justin Limo, a girl guide from Tanzania, currently in Uganda as program assistant on the WAGGGS coordination team. And today I'll be talking about my personal development project. Of course, yes, I chose to learn liquid soap. I have a deep love with the skill. I chose this project for personal reasons, for economic reasons, and also supportive reasons. I'm going to use the learned skills to produce liquid soap and sell. And also, I'm going to write books so that other people can buy the books and use it to upgrade their skills. I'm also going to organize seminars, physical and online seminars, in which people learn the skills from me. So they have to pay some amount of money so that they can have that skills. As I said, I chose this for supportive reasons. I just want to support other girls, impart them with the skills that I have so that they can be able to make this product and sell for their benefits. Just economic freedom. That's it. I can say that it feels so good and confident waking up in the morning knowing that you have something to do to earn for a life. So your money should work harder than you. Invest somewhere you know that money will return something to you.